Hey there, at Chesapeake Bites, sometimes we like to give you just a quick little tip. Poached pears. Now, you don't need to get your panties in a bunch figuring out how to do a poached pear. It is so easy. So, Bartlett, box pears, great. This is perfect for the winter. We have some delicious red wine boiling. We're going to simmer it. Have some cinnamon sticks. We have some anise going in here of the pods, and a vanilla bean, an authentic, smells good. So you're gonna put that in there, let that simmer a little bit and get some flavors in. And then, first, all you need is a peeler. Boop, 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 boop. And if you have one of these handy dandy cores, you just take the core out of the pear, kind of like that. And these are some of the best things you can get at the farmer's market. We get these from Black Rock Orchard, but all over the Chesapeake region, all over Maryland, you can get some of the best apples, pears, and they winter them over so you can get them throughout the winter. Okay, ready? Next, we're going to take the pears and put them into the simmering liquid, and then I'm going to take some sugar. You want to sweeten this up. You don't want it to be syrupy and too sweet. Just, you're going to use about half of this, maybe about a cup and a half. And pretty much that's all you have to do so far. Next, what we're going to do is take a towel and put the towel right over all of this, so that as the pears poach, they poach evenly and they will be just absolutely perfect. So that's going to take about 20-25 minutes. You can just take a knife, stick it in there, and as long as it goes in just easily, you don't want to cook it too much, just easily, and then let them cool right into the liquid. And then you can have anything you want with it. Ice cream, a crème anglaise, it's all beautiful. And you can do it all local. Local wine, Maryland wines are fantastic. Local pears. So, you know what we always say when we're over here at Chesapeake Bites? We're always telling you, get ye to the farmer's market. Shop local. Okay, poach them pears. Do you remember? So it started out like this, went into the wine, and there we are with that. A beautiful poached pear. So what are you going to do with it? We just went through all that. We poached the pears. Well, often you'll have a poached pear either in a salad or as a dessert with crème anglaise. All right, I could go all kind of fancy French on you, or I can show you an easy crème anglaise. We work often with Taharka Brothers. There's so many creameries, dairies all over Maryland that make phenomenal ice cream. So what I do, take a scoop of local ice cream, I let it sit out, or you can do a quick zap in the microwave, and we've just made an easy crème anglaise. So what you can do, you just take it, sit your pear right in there, like so, and you get a knife, a fork, and a spoon, and then you can just almost like dip it right into the crème anglaise. So remember, shop local, buy local, and get ye to the farmer's market.